Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you how to set a hostname in Ubuntu and make sure it points to your server IP. First, check your hostname with hostname.ctl. To change it, type sudo hostname.ctl set hostname server zenewlife.com. So here zenewlife.com, it should be your hostname. As of now, the A recorder for the hostname is not updated, so while digging the hostname, it won't show any IP as a record. Next, open your host file /etc host, find the line with 127.0.1.1, so that is localhost, and replace the old hostname with your new one. Save and exit. Once that's saved, type hostname.ctl again to confirm, and your hostname will now show correctly. Now for the DNS part, log on to your domain registrar or DNS hosting panel. Go to the DNS records and create or edit a record for your hostname pointing to your server public IP address. So it takes some time to propagate. After some time, you could see, while digging, you could see that hostname is pointing to the IP. That's great. Quick, easy and done. Like and subscribe for more VPS and server tips. Thank you.